Hello everyone, and welcome to another Mr. InStitches tutorial where I walk you through some of our playlists, the crochet tutorials we have on the Jayda InStitches channel, and some tech tips. Today we're going to talk about video playback speed. So I'm going to show you how to operate that on YouTube. I'm going to show you first on the PC, so on your computer or on your laptop. And if you're on a phone or tablet, I will show you how that works later in the video. So let's start by, we're on our channel homepage here. I'll put the link in the description box down below. I'm going to go to our most recent video, which is the sunflower placemat, giant sunflower placemat. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here we are at one of our video tutorials playing in normal speed. If you roll your mouse over top of the video, you can see these little icons and lines pop up on the screen, similar to a VCR or a DVD player. So what I'm going to do is just pause it for a moment. There's a lot of options here. There's a lot of settings you can play with. But for today, we're just going to talk about the playback speed. So what I'm going to do is, if you click on this little gear icon, you can see here playback speed is set to normal. That's the default setting on YouTube. If you click on that, you can see all these other options show up. So you've got 0.75, 0.5, 0.25. So going this way slows the video down. And 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2. Going this way speeds the video up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the difference while we've got the video playing here, and you can see what happens. So let's get this started.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Jayda InStitches show. Fall is quickly approaching. It's my favorite time of year, and I honestly can't start decorating soon enough. So today we've got a giant sunflower placemat for you. Perfect for the kitchen. This sunflower is 50 inches or 38 centimeters across, so in diameter, point to point. And you can make a whole set of these or just one. We're going to be using double crochet, and I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet 6 stitches together today. So kind of a fun thing.
So if you're really in a hurry, you can definitely speed up the video, and if you're really good at listening, that would be difficult to follow. But what we really want to talk about today is slowing it down for the sake of the tutorial. So if I skip forward into the tutorial and we listen in.
For row 1, we're going to double crochet 11 double crochet stitches into our cinch circle. Make sure you're working over top of that little short tail, because that's how we're going to cinch the whole thing shut when we get to the end of round 1.
So I've slowed it down.
At the end of row or round 1, you should have 12 double crochet stitches, and that does include your chain 3. So we are counting it as a double crochet stitch for round 1.
So you can see how if you're learning the stitch, or you're a little bit slower at the stitches, you can slow it down, and it really does help. You can also pause it, replay it. You can click along this line. So let's try an even slower speed. Let's go down to 0.5 and play the video.
You're going to cinch your circle shut, nice and tight. And you're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3 that began the whole row. Now I'm going to work over top of my little short tail.
So as you can see, it slows the video down. Jayda's starting to sound exhausted, which is kind of funny, but it can be helpful. You might not want to watch the entire video that way, but you might want to slow down certain sections or certain parts of the video. Let's try 0.25, see how that comes out.
You don't have to, you can just leave it to the back and weave it in later.
That sounds funny.
Wherever you find easiest.
If you're really good at crochet.
Row 2. For the rest of the brown section of our little placemats, the chain 3 will not count as double crochet at the beginning of each row, but we still need to chain 3 so that we're at the right height for double crochet. Into the same place that you chain 3 out, if you pull up, you see that little place there. Double crochet ends. You're going to work 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and remember the top of that next stitch, when you leave, the beginning of each row is always going to look a little funny, so
that
make sure
is
you get
hilarious.
both of those little loops.
So I'll pause that again. So there you go. It's a small little tool. It can come in handy. So for the tablet or phone, it's similar but a little bit different. So the small difference is instead of that icon on the bottom right of the video player, you're going to see a little image right here on the top right of your screen on the video player. It's 3 little dots. When you click on those 3 little dots, you get this image. At this point, it does look similar to the PC version. So you've got the area where you have to click on playback speed, which in this case starts default on normal. And then from that window, you can select the speed you want to go up or down. It's there, it's available. Give it a try, see if it helps you out, and let me know. Let me know in the comments if you find this helpful and if you use it. Thanks for popping by, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.